Welcome to my channel Grammar Knowledge. Today we have learned about kinds of sentences. There are five kinds of sentences. Number one, assertive sentence. Number two, interrogative sentence. Number three, imperative sentence. Number four, exclamatory sentence. Number five, optative sentence. Definition of assertive sentence. The sentence which make statement or assertion are called assertive sentence. For example, the boy is sitting on the bench. She did go to cinema. The first example, the boy is sitting on the bench, is an assertive sentence because it is express a statement and a statement is being given in this sentence that the boy is sitting on the bench. When there is a statement in a sentence is called an assertive sentence. Let's look second example. She did go to cinema. This is also an assertive sentence because it is claimed in this sentence that she went to the cinema. When there is a claim in the sentence, it is also called an assertive sentence. Hence, it is clear that a sentence which make statement or assertion are called assertive sentence. Definition of interrogative sentence. The sentence which asks question and express question are called interrogative sentence. For example, did you see a lion yesterday? Do you not play hockey? Is he a good doctor? All examples are interrogative sentence because all of these ask question and express question. Hence, it is clear that a sentence which asks question and express question are called interrogative sentence. Definition of imperative sentence. The sentence which express command, request, prohibition or advice are called imperative sentence. For example, lend me your watch please, stop writing, don't make a noise, be punctual. All examples are imperative sentence. The first example, lend me your watch please, express a request. The second example, stop writing, express a command. The third example, don't make a noise, express a prohibition. The fourth example, be punctual, express a advice. Hence, it is clear that a sentence which express command, request, prohibition or advice are called imperative sentence. Definition of exclamatory sentence. These sentences express strong feeling or emotions are called exclamatory sentence. For example, what a lovely scene. Hooray, we have won the match. Both of example is exclamatory sentence because both of example express strong feelings or emotions. Hence, it is clear that a sentence which expresses strong feeling or emotion are called exclamatory sentence. Definition of optative sentence. The sentence which express wish, desire or prayer are called optative sentence. For example, may you live long, would that I were a king. Both of example are optative sentence. The first example, may you live long, express a prayer. The second example, would that I were a king, express a wish. Hence, it is clear that a sentence which express wish, desire and prayer are called optative sentence. Thanks for watching.